Welcome to our channel. If you want to log into your American Express account to manage your credit card and view statements, follow these step-by-step instructions for secure access. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the American Express official website at americanexpress.com. Step 2. Click on the Login button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Enter your user ID in the designated field. If you have not created a user ID, click on Register to set up your online account. Step 4. Click Next and then enter your password in the Secure Password field. Make sure you are entering it correctly, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Step 5. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication by entering the verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 6. Click Log In to access your account dashboard where you can view transactions, make payments, and manage account settings. Step 7. If you encounter login issues, use the Forgot User ID or Forgot Password links to recover your credentials through email verification. Step 8. After logging in successfully, review your account activity and set up alerts for enhanced security monitoring. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.